Good morning guys and welcome to a new video. So today is Sunday the 7th of April, which means it is the day of the Fast Show. Now that's not where I'm going. I'm not going to the Fast Show, so don't get excited of this being a Fast Show video because that's just not happening. Yesterday was also Brighton Incarnation. Didn't go to that either. The car club that I normally go to shows with, they didn't have a club stand for it, so I didn't go. And I'm going to Brighton today. That's where I'm off to. Today, like I have done before previously, I'm going to go get bonnet vents fitted to my car. Now, I've seen people get bonnet vents fitted to this car already, and some people don't like them. Some people do like them. I personally, I like them, but I don't necessarily like what's out there at the moment or what people have done. Me, what I'm going for is the same style vents, same shape vents I had on my black edition, and you can check that video in the description, there'll be a link. It's the same style vents as I got in that video, but instead of getting them black this time, I did get them black last time, but they actually blended quite well on the black car. I'm going to get them color coded in magnetic, so hopefully they won't stand out too much, but you know, they'll be there and they'll look sort of OEM, hopefully. You know, there's people who have got them on magnetic car already and he's got them in black. I don't necessarily like how much they stand out because there's no sort of lines in the bonnet, so it does look a little bit weird, but yeah, I'm hoping that they look all right. You guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments down below at the end of the video when you actually see them. I'm excited and I'm going to take you guys with me. I probably won't film whilst I'm there. If you're wondering who's doing them for me, I'm getting them done by Nick Wiley, who did my last ones, and I wouldn't really recommend anyone else because I just haven't used anyone else, and you know, there's a reason why he's booked up for months and months in advance. It's because his work is really good. Anyway, we're going to go along and travel down to Brighton to get these done, and I will show you guys pictures or show you guys what it looks like when it's all done, and yeah, see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I've just got back from spending the morning with Nick Wiley. Now, before I say anything, I just want to say that actually he was not in the best of states, poor Nick. I think he's had some back problems and his leg was hurting and his back was hurting. I think I was the first car of the day, so he did mine and cancelled the rest. So, I mean, if you're watching this and you actually had him booked for that day, then he really was not in a good state. So it was best that he cancelled and just gets better, basically. So Nick, if you're watching this, I hope you get better, and you know, I hope the pain wasn't too bad, and thank you so much for doing my vents. Now, moving on, you guys want to see the car? Well, it's back there. Obviously the vents are fitted, and at the moment my car's all taped up, so this isn't obviously what it finally looks like, but I'll show you guys what it currently looks like, and yeah, it's looking pretty mad. Right, so sorry about that cut, but yeah, basically I drove from Brighton to Basingstoke to where I live with my car looking like this, and this is about two and a half hours in total because of traffic as well. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys right now, and yeah, the car, it looks like this. So as you can see, bonnet vents are on. They are actually colour matched. Yeah, it's magnetic and magnetic. Obviously they're all taped up. You've got the foam pads underneath just to keep it all down. Yeah, even though Nick wasn't, you know, well, you know, he powered on through it. He got them fitted for me, and yeah, he does an amazing job. I have taken pictures with them not all taped up, which I will put in the video. I don't know, maybe not. I might just show you guys after, you know, what it looks like. But the problem is I won't have the car next week. So tomorrow morning I'm taking the car somewhere, and I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys. So I'm going to put the pictures at the end of the video. If you don't actually see like an edit or anything, that's the reason why. I'm basically not going to have the car. So yeah, if there's no edit, I don't have the car. You guys will see it on Instagram at some point. All the pictures. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, I think they look really good. I'll be able to show you guys properly sooner in next week's video. Basically, I'm trying to upload a video a week, as you know, I've got a lot to do. I've got a lot of work on. I've got my social life to try and live. So, you know, one video a week at the moment, and you know, seems to be doing all right. So yeah, so this week, Bonnet Vents. Thank you, Nick Wiley. Awesome job as always, mate. If any of you guys want to get vents done, I would totally recommend him. He's booked up well in advance, and there's a reason for that. He does a lot of cars. He's very good at what he does. I mean, he does it by himself at the minute, so and yeah, totally recommend. Car is just looking mad at the minute, but on the plus side, the yellow tape on the bonnet, it actually goes quite well with the yellow that I've got on the car already. So I might just leave it like that. Yeah, he does a really good job. Totally recommend him. And I think that's all I've got to say. But yeah, hopefully you guys like my car with these vents. I know they're not for everyone. Not everyone's going to like them. There was some guy who posted up with a magnetic MK8 Fiesta ST who had them in black, and people just didn't like him. People were like saying, you know, quite nasty stuff. I've got them colour matched, so I think they blend in a lot more. At the moment, I can't really tell, but from what I saw earlier, they did seem to blend in a lot better. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much all I've got to say. I don't have any more. Yeah. Bye bye.